Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Here we go. Oh, bad bounce. All right, you do next. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. Oh.
It might hit you.
It ain't yours too, all right, cheater? Oh, she almost got the hole in one. Now, Ma is famous for just destroying us on hole in ones. So here she goes. Oh. She's so good at this freaking game. Going for two, Jacob. Jacob's going for a big two.
There's another one. You're gonna hit me.
Okay,
What's happening, Jake? You're in up for a 3. Nice.
There we go. Going for a big two. The big two. No! 3. She gonna get any two? No, too hard. She's away again. And Sandy's away.
You're not allowed to stop it, Nan. I can't because I'm a Nan. I know I'm not winning anyway. Nice.
Okay, blue. A big two for blue. Yes! Now will Nan make it a tie?
Yeah. So, Lee, you don't get the point. No wins.
No wins.